Hi, welcome to the R&D Tax Credit series. My name is John Davis and today I'm joined by Dan Pitt and we're going to be talking about R&D tax credits. Dan, so what are R&D tax credits?
So John, R&D tax credits are a fully UK government-backed regime designed to incentivise innovative companies with their research and development activity. The way that the scheme works is companies are granted enhanced tax deduction on their qualifying R&D spend, and that enhanced deduction is 130%. So companies will get an additional £1.30 deducted off their taxable profits or enhancing their taxable losses for every pound that's identified under the R&D tax credits regime. So
it's corporation tax saving for tax-paying companies. Is there anything for companies that are loss-making?
Yes, there is. Unlike regular sort of tax losses, which are effectively unused by loss-making companies in the early stages of their business, losses realised under the R&D tax credits regime have the ability to be surrendered back to HMRC at 14.5%, so 14.5p in the pound, and this provides some really critical funding for some of our startup companies that we work with.
Excellent. So it's a bit like grant funding in a way then?
It's a bit like grant funding, but in many ways it's better. It's typically a little more lucrative and it can be easier to access as well.
Good. And presumably, from what you've described, this comes after a company has incurred the costs, so they know what they've spent?
That's right, yeah. So companies have up to 2 years from the end of their most recent accounting period to claim. So retrospective claims are available for those companies who are unaware of the regime or didn't feel that they maybe qualified at the time that they were undertaking the expenditure. And the bar for making a claim and recording those expenses is actually lower than a lot of companies think. So HMRC will take the fact that these are sort of infant companies in terms of their R&D journey, and as long as the costs can be justified, if needs be, to HMRC, then whatever you identify as qualifying R&D expenditure can be included in the claim.
Brilliant stuff. Dan, thank you very much for that. It's very useful.
Pleasure, John. Thank you.
Thank you to everybody for watching. If you want to find out some more about R&D tax credits, check out the Bishop Fleming YouTube channel.